Let's get some seeds started! Hi there, this is Big Spruce Rabbitry, and we're out here on the roof of my house, and we're going to get some seeds started today. I just got my order in from Johnny's Seed Company, and I'll be setting up cucumbers and zucchinis today and seeing what else came in the pack. Okay, so here's the story. So back in March, I had inventoried what seeds I had in my collection and figured out that I didn't have very many cucumbers, tomatoes, or zucchini. So I decided that I would place an order with Baker's Creek, where I normally get my seeds. Turns out that they were already sold out for the year of everything that I wanted. So I went down my list and went to Johnny's Seed Company, which is another one that is known for being pretty good for getting seeds that will grow up this far north. And then coronavirus panic started and people started to buy them out of seeds. It took about a month for this package to show up, and I actually got a note from the company that said that they were going to cancel my order because they were just too backlogged. Well, they didn't, and the order ended up showing up a couple of days ago. I was quite bummed out when I heard my Johnny's order had been canceled. So my husband made a trip to Fred's on an early Sunday morning and picked me up some summer squash and cucumbers so that I would actually be able to start those plants early enough that I could get a harvest from them this year. Well, the very next day, the order came in the mail. So we're going to get this guy opened up and see what we got. So, sugar snap peas, those will be planted later this spring. Carrots, this was a type of carrot that was strongly recommended by the local extension office. Here's a spinach, I'm going to be going out and planting it later this week. Yet another type of cabbage, they grow well here, so why not plant a lot of them. We got 3 types of tomato, I'll save starting these for a later video. And here are my 4 types of cucumber and zucchini. The 2 varieties of zucchini that I bought from Johnny's are a yellow variety and a green variety. They are F1 hybrids, which means that I will not be able to save seeds from them that will breed true. The plants, however, should be extremely vigorous and really great plants. So hybrid vigor is a thing. By contrast, I bought 2 varieties of pickling cucumber. One's a white variety, the other one's a green variety, that are both heirloom varieties, and these ones I can save seeds from if I choose to. Let's get these things planted. So I filled these pots with potting soil before bringing them up on the roof. Let's pull them out so that I can get them planted. Here's a little pro tip. Cut up an old milk jug to make garden stakes. I'm going to start 6 each of my pickling cucumbers. So I'm going to put 3 seeds per cell in my pot. The white pickling cucumber is called salt and pepper. My green pickling cucumber is selectively bred to be a good northern variety. So my cucumbers can go into the hoop house. I'm going to start 2 of the yellow zucchini and 2 of the green zucchini today. I'll probably start more. Zucchini plants are extremely productive, but we will go through a lot of it, and zucchinis are great for trade. Again, I'll be starting with 3 seeds per pot. Now I'll plant some of the 4 varieties of zucchini that my husband got me, as well as the cucumber. 2 of the zucchini types my husband got are heirloom varieties, the Black Beauty and Italian Ribbed. The other 2 are hybrid varieties that I would not be able to save seed from. This Burpee's Best Hybrid claims to be ready in 40 days. I'm going to do a couple of plants. I'm going to do one Fort Hook zucchini, which is a hybrid, and a Black Beauty, which is a heritage breed, and one that I have grown off in the past and I'm pretty happy with. And finally, the cucumber my husband got me, the Burpless Beauty. Here's a little note about cucumber and zucchini seedlings. Zucchini seedlings tend to be a little larger than cucumber, so you can start cucumbers in smaller pots than zucchinis. And there you have it, zucchinis and cucumbers started. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and check out our farm store in the description.